National Homemade Scrubs for Soft and Beautiful Hands. Skin is our biggest organ that is one sort of shield for our body. It is protecting it from the environmental effects, and it is usually the most exposed to harmful substances and toxins. As much as our face needs care, the skin covering our hands also needs to be properly treated. Our hands are often exposed to heat, water, and cold, dirt of all kind, bacteria and toxins that harm the skin. This can cause the skin to crack, to become dry, pores to close and skin cells to die with intensity. It all makes the skin of the hands hard and rough. In order to have beautiful hands with velvety and smooth skin, you need to take proper care of your hands. We have 3 easy recipes that will help you make natural scrubs for your hands that will remove dead skin cells, clean your skin and make it firmer, softer and glowing. Olive oil and sugar. Mix a tablespoon of brown sugar with small amount of olive oil. Add few drops of lemon essential oil. Mix well until the ingredients are well blended, and then you can apply it on your hands, gently massaging it in. Do the treatment for 3-5 minutes and then wash off the scrub with warm water. Hand cream and sugar. You can use your usual hydrating hand cream to make amazing hand scrub just by adding a tablespoon of sugar in it. The sugar granules will help remove the dirt and dead skin cells from the skin, while the cream will do the hydrating of the skin. Just mix a small amount of cream with the sugar until it all blends in. Massage in the mixture on your hands for 2-3 minutes and then wash off the scrub with warm water. Honey and oat flour. Mix a tablespoon of honey with same amount of oat flour. Mix well until it is all well blended and then apply on your hands, massaging in for 3-5 minutes. When the treatment is over, wash off with warm water and apply hydrating cream.